Welcome to the Kootenai floor plan, a thoughtfully designed home with an exceptional layout. It is move-in day for this homeowner. It's a custom home, but let's go take a walk through. As you walk in, you're greeted by an open concept layout with great natural light. There's also great flow between the living, dining, and kitchen area. The kitchen is one of the highlights of this floor plan with a spacious island, plenty of cabinet space, and a corner pantry. The primary suite is tucked away to give you a little extra privacy. It includes a spacious bedroom, a private bathroom, and a walk-in closet, creating a comfortable retreat at the end of the day. The additional bedrooms are nicely sized and can work well for bedrooms, guests, a home office, or hobby space. The secondary bathroom is conveniently located nearby, making the layout practical for everyday use. Overall, the Kootenai is a smart, comfortable floor plan with great natural light and spaces that actually make sense. If you'd like to see any homes in person, talk lots, plans, pricing, I'd love to show you around.